To fix a toilet that's not plunging, it's essential to identify the cause of the issue. The clog may be due to using too much or thick toilet paper, which can clog the toilet trap. Another possible reason is flushing non-flushable items, which can also cause a blockage. Additionally, not having enough water in the tank can prevent the toilet from flushing properly. To address these issues, start by unclogging the toilet trap using hot water and dish soap. Remove any excess water from the bowl. Apply soap for lubrication, and then pour in almost boiling water. Let it sit for a few minutes before attempting to flush the toilet to see if the clog has been cleared. If this method doesn't work, try using a wire hanger. Unwind and straighten the hanger as much as possible. Then insert it into the bowl and move it around to break up any particles causing the clog. Once you've done this, try flushing the toilet again to see if it's working. If the issue is due to non-flushable items, remove them if they're visible. Wearing waterproof gloves and using tongs can be helpful. However, if the item is not visible, it's best to contact a plumber for assistance. It's also important to check the water levels in the tank and ensure the supply valve is open. If the valve is faulty, consider replacing it. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to seek help from a plumber. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a toilet that's not plunging and get it working properly again.